Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Coupon Birds extension Smart Coupon Finder. So here the Coupon Birds extension is a Chrome favorite extension, one of the favorite extension of 2024. Coupon Bird has been selected for the Chrome Web Store and year list. So here, what is the Coupon Bird? This is the extension that automatically find coupons and apply the best coupon code to save money for your online shopping. So here we go. Shopping online shouldn't be a pain, and Coupon Birds to your browser and shop online, and will pop up and test code for you. So let's start by click on add to Chrome, add to extension. So here we go. Congrats, start saving $150 per year with Coupon Bird Smart Coupon Finder. So here you can start saving at your favorite store today. So this is a list of official store that you can use with the Coupon Bird, and this is like a usually on the United States there are some discount for Christmas, and this is the Happy Hanukkah and New Year sales. So you can use this Coupon Bird. Also you can 2 codes found, save up to $20, copy and apply coupon to save in seconds. So you can copy this, and here we go, copy and apply coupon to save in second, for example. And also you can copy this and try to search your item that you want to buy, and also use this coupon. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and subscribe to this button below. See you in the next video.